Hello everyone, my name is Paul and I'm the voice engineer for GWI. Today I have a video outlining the graphical changes coming to GWI's ComPortal telephone user website. These changes are intended to match the recent rebranding of GWI. They also bring the ComPortal telephone interface to a version that is more compatible with current releases of the more popular web browsers such as Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Google Chrome. Access to the new website does not change. You will continue to use the same URL, bookmarks, or shortcut links you are using today. This includes your username and passwords. All aspects and functions of the current ComPortal interface which you use today are present in the newly redesigned website. The screen you see now is the new login window, which will be active once the conversion takes place. The same login information used previously will be used in this interface as well. As you can see, this design is quite different than the previous one, but rest assured, everything you used previously is found in this new website. Let's take a look around. The login screen for the ComPortal website is greatly reduced in graphics, simply including the GWI logo, which if clicked, will bring you to the GWI.net business website. The login screen for the ComPortal consists of your 10-digit telephone number along with your ComPortal password. Once entered, simply click the login button. This will bring you to the home screen of the ComPortal interface. Starting at the home screen, we have the menu bar. The menu bar consists of the home screen, messages and calls, and contacts, which we'll review momentarily. Under the home screen, the first panel, we have the phone status summary. This is a representation of how your phone line will behave upon incoming calls. The next tab we have are the call forwarding options available to you for your telephone line, such as immediate call forwarding, busy, or unavailable. The next panel down, we have your call services, such as call settings, voicemail message settings, and notifications. The last panel consists of personal details, such as the name of the telephone line and any hardware devices associated with the telephone line. Security area, which allows you to change your ComPortal password, your call services PIN, and your voicemail PIN. A support area, which consists of a built-in help screen and feedback screen. Clicking the help screen brings up a pop-up window. This window is intuitive to whichever area you currently are positioned in within the ComPortal interface. This help screen provides you all the information you need to know about that particular aspect of the ComPortal website. Going back up to the menu bar, we have messages and calls. This is your primary voicemail visual interface. All new or previously listened to voicemail messages are listed here. This area allows you to control those voicemail messages, allows you to replay them, allows you to delete them or mark them as new. From there, you can review your missed calls, any dialed calls, received calls, rejected, or deleted voicemail messages. Back to the menu bar, we have the contact area. This allows you to create group contacts, individual contacts for quick access to commonly dialed numbers. You also have access to speed dials, business group extensions, and business group shortcodes. Lastly, in the menu bar is the control button, which simply presents you with a logout option once you're finished within the ComPortal interface. By clicking the logout button, it brings you back into the login screen, allowing you to log back in for another session. This concludes this video. Please make use of the built-in help screen as much as possible. It will answer almost all of your questions. But if you do need further assistance, please give GWI a call. We are more than happy to help. Thank you for your time and have a great day.